In microcontroller projects, we often use jumper cables to connect the microcontroller to other components or a breadboard. When we have many jumper cables, it can be challenging to find the right one we need, such as the type and length, because they often get mixed up. Therefore, I need a jumper cable organizer to make it easy to store the jumper cables and retrieve them as needed. To create a jumper cable organizer, we don't need to design it ourselves, it should already be available on the internet. We can download the model of the jumper cable organizer from thingiverse.com. Once we find a suitable model, we can download the necessary STL format file. After downloading, open the file in the slicer software compatible with your 3D printer. Don't forget to add supports for parts that need them to ensure the model can be successfully printed on the 3D printer. Proceed by printing all the necessary models. For the bottom support component, we need one piece, and for the top support, we need 2 pieces. These are the components that have been made using the 3D printer. There is an additional part, 4 bolts needed to assemble the bottom support and top support. Next, proceed with the assembly. This is the assembled jumper cable organizer. To use it, simply insert the jumper cables into the hollow sections. I will be organizing only one type of jumper cable in this organizer, for example, male to male, male to female, or female to female. Additionally, I am separating each row based on cable length, making it easier to retrieve the cables according to their length. Now, I have 3 jumper cable organizers, each separated by type. With these organizers, storing jumper cables becomes easier, neater, and more convenient, allowing you to retrieve the cables according to their type and length. Happy trying! Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. See you in the next video.